Did you know that insects are the tiniest but most spectacular superstars of our planet? These little critters represent the most diverse group of animals globally, inhabiting environments from the deepest forests to our own backyards. Insects are crucial for our ecosystem, playing essential roles such as pollinating flowers, decomposing materials, and serving as food for other wildlife. Without them, our world would face significant challenges. Beyond their ecological duties, insects possess fascinating life cycles, habitats, and survival strategies. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of insects, learning how these diminutive beings make a monumental impact on our planet. Welcome to the magical, buzzing world of insects. Welcome back, intrepid explorers. Continuing our journey through the insect world, let's uncover the magic of a day in the life of these extraordinary creatures. Whether a butterfly awakening under a leaf or an ant bustling about a colony, insects thrive across all environments, from urban sprawls to tranquil forests. Each one contributes to the balance of their ecosystem in unique ways. With over 1 million known species, the diversity of insect life cycles and habitats is astonishing. From dragonflies, which start their lives in water only to take flight, to bees born into bustling hives contributing to their community's success from day one. However, it's not all about pollination and community. Insects face daily survival challenges, from finding food to evading predators. Their adaptability is remarkable, with strategies ranging from camouflage to cooperation in facing threats. Through our exploration of their habitats, life cycles, and survival tactics, we've seen that insects are not mere garden visitors, but the protagonists of their own epic stories, indispensable to our planet's health. As we prepare to uncover more wonders in their tiny world, remember, our adventure is only beginning. Next up, we'll learn how we can support these vital creatures and the earth we share. Stay tuned for the next exciting chapter. As we conclude our adventure, we stand in admiration of the insects, the unsung heroes beneath our feet. More than just subjects of fascination, they are essential to the planet's well-being, pollinating plants and recycling nutrients to enrich the soil. Our existence is intertwined with theirs, highlighting the need for their preservation. Wondering how to contribute? Simple actions like planting diverse flora, building bug sanctuaries, and reducing pesticide use can make a significant difference. By understanding insects' pivotal role in our ecosystem and actively participating in their conservation, we champion the health of our planet. Let's commit to being guardians for these tiny yet mighty allies.